Probably gonna be bowling with my Theorem Hybrid. This is pin in ring finger layout. One of my favorite balls. Operator and had a list of 10 balls that I wanted. The last on the list was a Theorem Hybrid. He told me to get that one. That's the best on my list. And the rest is history. One of my favorite balls ever. I love the shape of it. If you don't have a Theorem Hybrid, definitely get one. Hammer effect. Kind of has the same shape as the hammer effect. I think a little bit better than the hammer effect, actually. I think my highest score on that was 270 something. So the Theorem Hybrid is probably one of the better deal balls right now. It's 145 at Gebhardt's, I believe. 149, something like that. I'll probably end up getting another one. Theorem Theorem Pearl does not shape anything like this one. I was a little disappointed with the Pearl, but Hybrid seems to be my top 5 balls. Pin did not move. So this one, about a couple weeks ago, I put a 1500 grit surface on it, and then I put some polish on it. That a clean game. One thing about this theorem is if you don't hit it just right, you can leave a lot of splits, which is a bummer. Not a great game, got a split in there, the rest of them were strikes and spares, not bad.